dedicated tire cleaner, such as this SONAX Tire Cleaner here, should be above all and unbeatable when it comes to cleaning tires, say compared to an all-purpose cleaner. Well, let's find that out today. We are going to have two tires. On the one, we're going to just spray and rinse and see what the cleaners can do on their own without help, without agitation. And on the second tire, with a different set of problems, we are going to spray the cleaner and agitate. And we're going to do one half of the tire with the SONAX dedicated tire cleaner, and the other half with just an all-purpose cleaner, an APC. Which one do you think will clean the tire better? Immediately after spraying the tire, I like to see a little bit of a browning and running down the tire as it's breaking up some of that muck, some of the browning, some old tire dressing mixed in with brake dust and dirt and anything that's kicked up from the roadways. And I'm not seeing that. So let's let it sit there for a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, to let it do its work and break down that muck, and then we'll rinse it off. We'll put the tire in the sun, let it dry, and then we'll take a look and see, did it make a difference whatsoever? The SONAX Tire Cleaner, 750 milliliter or 25 ounces for $13.99. Spray on, let it dwell for 3 to 5 minutes, agitate and rinse. Safe for white wall, lettering, white wall tires, cleans and brightens black tires. So let's put that tire to the side. By the way, that was on a truck, saw a lot of dirt, construction areas. It was on a construction van. This one here on a vehicle saw a lot more tire dressing, so there's a thicker layer of muck. This is the one we will agitate. So this one here had a whole different environment, and we'll see the difference between this cleaner and just a regular APC. Again, I would like to see some of that what we sprayed on the tire turn brown and start running down the tire. I don't see that immediately. All right, then after a few minutes, we'll grab the tire brush and agitate and see if we can work some of that muck, that thick layer of dirt and tire shine and who knows what else from the rubber. Okay, well, let's grab that first tire again. It has dried, and you can see a notable difference in the area where we just sprayed and rinsed. So on its own, with no agitation whatsoever, it does have the ability to clean. Now on this side where it says Cooper, and we'll keep track of this, we're going to spray just a regular all-purpose cleaner, an APC, and we'll do the exact same thing. We'll let it dwell, we'll rinse, and we'll see, will it do a better job? And for this test, we'll use Phoenix EOD, the Kraken. Now, the Kraken, on the other hand, compared to that tire cleaner from SONAX, is an all-purpose cleaner, can be used for many different types of jobs. It also comes in an 8-ounce ready-to-use, a pint concentrate, gallon concentrate, pint concentrate kit. You can choose an option. So as you spray this on the tire, immediately you can see it start to break down some of that crud a little bit. And if you're a fan of the channel, you know I really like products that can do more than one job, especially when it comes to cleaners and polishes. It's nice just to have one bottle laying around that can do many, many different things instead of a collection of products to fumble around and just waste time and money. All right, we'll let that tire dry, and we'll bring in tire number 2, and we'll spray the other half of this tire and agitate and see if it does a better job. And it really doesn't take all that long before I see the cleaner starting to break down that muck. It's turning brown, starting to run down the tire a little bit. We'll let this dwell 3, 4, 5 minutes or so like the other cleaner. Agitate and rinse. And out comes the shop manager, so I better act like I'm doing something. So this was just one pass. Tires this bad would take a few passes, but the tires have been sitting in, and the Cooper areas where we use the APC, and to me, I don't know if it's coming through in the camera, but it did a better job than the dedicated tire cleaner you would think would overall just kick the APC's backside. Over to the other tire where it was just a different environment, different set of circumstances, the APC did a better job there as well. To me, these tires both still are very dirty, and I would just do multiple passes until that tire is completely darkened and looking like new again before adding the next round of tire shine or coating. But I hope that helps. Again, I'm a big fan of products that can do more than one job and is fairly priced as well. Brian from Apex Detail, catch you in the next video.